Exercise 3.1. Let's start with the fill-ups. Okay, a ratio of rupees 3 to rupees 5. Okay, both are in rupees only, so simply we can write 3 is to 5. This is what the ratio formation of rupees 3 to rupees 5. Let's see the second sum. First one is very easy. Let's see the second sum. Ratio of 3 meter to 200 centimeter. 3 meter to 200 centimeter. In the introduction video itself, I said whenever you are writing a ratio, both units must be the same unit. Is it same here? No. One is meter and another one is centimeter. So you want to convert it as a same unit. Okay. So you will have a confusion whether we can convert meter into centimeter or centimeter into meter. I'll give a clue. You just always convert the maximum unit to the minimum unit. Then it will be very easy. So meter is the greatest unit compared to centimeter. So convert the meter to the centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. Am I correct? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. Always convert the greater unit into the smallest unit. So the answer is 300 is to 200. 300 is to 200. This is also can be written as, you can leave the zeros. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. So the answer is 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2. Here you have 2 units. You just convert it as a same unit. Okay. Then you can write the answer. So this true or false and the remaining 2 you have to do it. Okay. Always convert the greater unit into the smallest unit. Then you can write the answers easily. Okay, let's see the third sum. What is the third sum? Find the simplest form of the following ratios. So greater number is given. Simplified form is nothing but you want to make the ratio as the smallest ratio. Simplify is nothing but smallest. Remember like this. Okay, so I took one sum. Okay, the sum is 32 is to 24. 32 is to 24. What you want to do? You want to do the simplification. Okay, very easy. You just want to write the ratio form as a fraction form. 32 is to 24 can be written as 32 by 24. 32 by 24. Now I am going to simplify it. Actually very easy, but you have to listen carefully. Okay, very easy. So 32 and 24. You just think which number can divide 32 as well as 24. Simply you can think like this. In which table you will have the answer 32 and 24. In which table it will come? In 2 table it will come. Am I correct? Then what about 4th table? Will it come? Yes. Yes. So whether you can cancel by 2 or else 4. You can cancel by 2 or else 4. Okay. So let's cancel by 4. 6 4s are 24. We are cancelling by 4, so you don't want to mention the 4. The another number only you should mention. 6 4s are 24. That 4 you don't want to mention. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. Then 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. But here we are using 4th table. Am I correct? Not a 6th table. So don't get confused. So 4 6 are 12. 4 6 are 12. Then you just say the 4th table. After that, when you will have a 32, 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. Am I correct? So 4th table we are using, so you should not mention that 4. The another number only you should mention. 4 8s are 32. So 4 you don't want to write, 8 only we should write. Similarly 4 6 are 24. So 4 you don't want to mention, 6 only you have to mention. Because we are taking the same table now, that's why we didn't mention here. Now write the answer 8 by 6. Dear children, already I said here I used 4th table. You can use 2 table or any other table, but both numbers should be cancelled by that number. That is the most important thing. Now it is very easy. 8 and 6. Both number can cancel by 2 because both number will come in 2 table. When it will come? 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. Okay, so 4 by 3. Now 4 and 3. 4 and 3. Do you have any common divisor for 4 and 3 except 1? No. In one table only 4 and 3 will come. In no other table both number will come. So the answer is 4:3. Ratio form we written in a fraction form we written in a ratio form. So the final answer is 4:3. Very very easy, but you have to listen properly. Try this, you will get the answer easily. You just try the sum, very easy sum only I have given. Just try it and do it.